How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another quant update. And over the past few weeks, we were calling for a bounce from 81 to 85 to come up into this red zone. But I was saying this is where it could possibly lower high. And as you can see, we ran into $96, the 0.5 fib, as well as the moving averages. And as you can see, this trend line over here tightening, actually forming an apex where the moving averages and the line come together and it forces a move. So by losing all of this support previously, I have been constantly warning on a daily basis in my quant videos that a rollover should actually come from between 96 to 112 because this was previous support. It should now act as resistance, but also had many bearish crosses. The only way it invalidates any further downside towards 60 to 70 is by reclaiming this level. So while you find quant underneath 96 and 112, it's actually trying to lose 81 to 85. On the loss of that, or already from here, it's actually trying to get down to 60, 70. We need to see if that holds. You know, if a bounce comes from there, if let's say it does actually get down there, first of all, while above 81 to 85, it can bounce again to recover. So still has the chances from here, has that chance, but the probabilities are in favor to the downside because there's more bearish confirmations than bullish. But yes, while above this, yes, we can higher low and reverse, come down and double bottom, but I need to see 112 reclaimed. Until then, all I currently see is a retest of the moving averages after they form bearish crosses and losing the recovered ones over here, flipping them back into resistance, that confirmation, and dumping down lower. Yes, there is support within this area. If I see it recovering 100 and then 112, I'll flip my stance. I'll be telling you we're going to 150. However, at the moment, that's not the case. It's actually trying to get down to $60 and $70. In fact, it could go down as low as down there, but step by step, of course. And right now, it's actually looking to lose 81 to 85. So that is what the quant bulls need to protect. There's going to be buy orders down over here. Let's see if they're strong enough to push it through 112, but I'm seeing weakness across the market. Multiple coins losing their 200 EMAs. Could you argue that this was just a loss of the 200 EMA and a retest before continuation even lower? So yeah, it's time to actually start making decisions. And that's it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. As this develops, I will continue to bring updates. But yeah, until this red box is reclaimed, we should actually see lower lows. Alright guys, more information about the Discord, the mentorship, or the ebook can be found using the links in the description of this video. Cheers.